Welcome to an overview of Automator in Mac OS X Leopard. In this presentation, we'll examine how the new Streamlined interface in Automator helps you to quickly access the information you need to build powerful and useful workflow tools. In Automator for Leopard, it's easier to find the action you need, since they are now grouped by category rather than by application. Broad categories, such as photos, PDFs, or movies, simplify the organization and access of actions. New smart groups provide instant access to actions sorted by user-defined parameters, such as most relevant, most used, or recently added. You can also define sets of actions by creating action groups, and then drag actions from the action list to the group folders. To create new groups or new smart groups, click the small gear icon at the bottom left of the Automator window, and select either New Group or New Smart Group from the pop-up menu. To access the actions contained by a group, select the group, and its actions will be displayed in the adjacent list to the right. The description view, like most of the other data views, can be hidden or displayed by clicking its display control. The control for the description view is located at the bottom left of the Automator window. The workflow log, which displays the status and results of each action as the workflow is run, can be displayed or hidden by clicking its view control at the bottom center of the Automator window. The variables table, which lists all variables used in the workflow, can be displayed or hidden by pressing its view control, located at the bottom center of the Automator window. To make it easy for you to access the images, audio files, and movies stored on your computer, Automator now has a built-in Live Media Picker. To display the Media Picker window, click the Media button on the left side of the toolbar. Photos, movies, and audio files selected in the media browser can be added to workflows by dragging them from the palette into the workflow area. Corresponding actions containing the added items are entered automatically into the workflow. To close the media browser, click the Close button at the top left of the palette. As with the other data views, the library view can now be hidden and displayed by clicking the Library button on the left side of the toolbar. In Automator for Leopard, accessing information and data is easy because of the convenient placement of view controls. This same principle is applied to information and data related to actions within a workflow. In Automator for Leopard, new data access controls are placed along the bottom left of the action view. To view the results of an action's execution, press the Results tab control. Within the Results tab, information can be viewed in three formats: as icons, as a list of POSIX paths, and as a list of AppleScript alias references. The controls for these views is placed just below the Results tab. By default, the results are displayed as a grid of icons. Press the second control to view the results as a list of POSIX paths. Press the third control to view the results as a list of AppleScript alias references. To access the controls for making the action view visible when the workflow is executed, press the Options tab next to the Results tab. The Options tab contains checkboxes for indicating whether you want the entire action view or only specified controls presented to the user when the workflow is executed. The final data view is for viewing the action description. Press the Description tab to view information about the action. An action description contains information about the action, including what the action does, the type of data it accepts, the type of data it provides, its version number, the developer of the action, any special instructions, and optional links to related websites. As with the previous inline data views, this information is available within the action view itself. This concludes this overview of the new Streamlined interface in Automator for Mac OS X Leopard. Thank you.